Hey guys, how's it going? So my Summit keeps sinking in the snow, so I've come up with a plan to make some dualies for it. I've got them all on right now, but I'm going to show you what I did, put them on there, and it seems to work great. It is a lot for the front steering. I might take them off, but it seems to work so good in all this powder that I'm just going to leave them on for now. Basically all I'm doing, I got one on here to start. The inside spokes, I'm just taking the rim and I'm putting it on backwards, and then I'm running a zip tie through the holes. You see those little holes there? Right around the spoke and then back to each other. So I'm basically just tying each spoke to itself all the way around and locking it tight, and that's it. That just has two on there right now, and it's working, so I'm just going to keep going and lock them all in place. And hopefully the idea is to keep the truck up on top instead of just spinning the tires and sinking down into the snow. What's basically all I'm doing here is it's about an 8-inch zip tie, and I'm just folding it in half just so it makes it easier to get it in one side and out the other. But basically I just put it right through this little hole in the center of the spoke. This to come up with it, just like so. Take my other rim here, same thing, with the hole. Take this one and just push it through that little hole. And just grab onto them, and once you get your first one in, it's a little easier because the wheel stays in place. That's pretty much it. And just go around the rim like so, and cut that off or leave it. Do whatever you want with it. It's not going to affect anything. Alright, I got her all done. I got them all zipped in there. Cut these off, but might just leave them so that I can grab a hold of them and give them a little tighten if they come loose. But yeah, it's gonna work. Doesn't hit nothing steering, so probably be a little bit of extra weight on those servos, but I'm not gonna be giving her hard. Alright, that's it. She's done. She's one beast of a truck now. It's like a tractor Traxxas. Maybe that's what I'll call it. Well, this thing is giant. Let's throw some batteries in her and see how it does on the snow. It's stuck.
too.
That's funny.
I don't know. Hold on here. Hold on, Kaden.
Packing in a trail.
Yeah. I don't have the steady arms. You probably.
Okay. You don't have, yeah. You got it.
You holding on? Hold on. What are you doing?
What is? Didn't it charge?
Did you change the battery system when it died the other day?
It was like months ago. I don't remember.
You better not see right now.
Oh. Getting buried. Oh! Oh shit! All right, now she's stuck.
She's done.
Dude, bongs.